Hi, my name is Kenneth Berger, and I made this video to help people and their families in the event that someone's been hit by a car while riding a bicycle. And there are a few important things that folks need to know who've been involved in a car versus bike collision. One of the first things is that the police report almost always, and for whatever reason, puts the person on the bicycle at fault. That's not admissible in a civil case, okay? Even if the police report says that the person on the bicycle is at fault, that's not coming into court. The only thing that the police officer could ever testify to was what he or she personally witnessed, and they hardly ever personally witness the collision itself. Second thing, if someone gets hit by a bicycle, they're probably gonna have pretty high medical bills, sometimes very high medical bills. All those medical bills, if you have health insurance, be it government health insurance or private health insurance, all your medical bills need to go through health insurance. That'll save you a heck of a lot of money in the long run. Third thing you need to know is anytime a bike is hit by a car, there are multiple insurance policies at play. The first thing we look at is the auto insurance policy on the person who was driving the car or the person who owned the car. We would also look at what's known as excess liability coverage for that driver. That might be in the form of umbrella coverage. In addition to liability insurance to help you out, there's something called uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage, where you can utilize at times your own auto insurance coverage to further help you with those medical expenses and other economic damages. Now, when someone's been hit by a car, a lot of times the insurance company for the vehicle driver is going to try to blame the bicyclist in some way. The same way the law enforcement officer may have tried to blame the person on the bicycle, the at-fault driver's insurance company may try to do the same thing. If you're getting pushback from them, don't worry about it. They a lot of times push back in these cases, and later on in negotiations they cave because there's just too much risk. Now, on bicycle cases, if someone's sideswiped, if someone's hit from behind, if a vehicle turns out in front of them, regardless of how the collision occurred, a lot of times people in bicycle wrecks have head injuries. Sometimes they're wearing a helmet, sometimes they're not. If someone's been in an accident with a car and they weren't wearing a helmet, that's not a bar, that's not going to prevent you from pursuing a claim. And the last thing to know is, again, this is a lot of information, and what I'd say is consider speaking with a lawyer, be it myself or someone else, who actually understands all the different intricacies and nuances of these car versus bicycle cases. I just don't like to see someone, after they've been in an accident, after a family member's been in an accident, try to take on the entire insurance industry and that big stack against them by themselves. So consult someone like us who's experienced with these cases and who can help you navigate and protect your rights. If you need anything from us, we're available for free consultations. You can reach us right here on the website or by phone, and we look forward to being of service.